Hello everyone, this is Native Man. In this video, I am going to discuss how to calculate the value of x in this simple exponential equation. 32 raised to x is equal to 16. So, what is the value of x? Okay, so to calculate the value of x in this exponential equation, the first step that we're going to do here is that we're going to rewrite 32 in exponential form and 16 in exponential form. But be sure that the base of the new exponential form of 32 and 16 should be equal so that we can use the rule of exponents. Okay? So let's try. 32 can be written as an exponential form 2 raised to the fifth power. So 2 raised to the fifth power is equal to 32. Okay? Then raised to the x power, the exponent here. Okay? And also, 16 in exponential form is 2 raised to the fourth power. So 2 raised to the fourth power is equal to 16. So notice here that the base are equal. So the same 2. Okay, so next that we're going to simplify the new exponent of 32 here, which is 2, which is 5 rather. We're going to multiply, the rule of exponent is multiply the 2 exponent. 5 times x is equal to 5x. So this will become 2 raised to 5x, and then just copy 2 raised to the fourth power. Okay, so we simplified already the exponent here. So we have equal base 2. All you have to do is, the rule is, we're going to equate the exponent. So the exponents here is 5x and here is 4. So this will become 5x is equal to 4. Okay? And then we can now solve for x. So to solve for x, we have 5 here. So divide 5 to both sides of the equation. So the purpose here to why we divide 5 here is we are going to cancel 5 here. Okay? So we cancel 5. Then the remaining here is 5, x rather. So this will become x is equal to, what is 4 divided by 5? We cannot divide, or there is no exact value for 4 divided by 5. So the value of x is equal to 4 over 5. So let's check if this value 4 over 5 is true in our original equation. Okay, so this is the original equation. Let us check if our answer is correct, which is the value of x is 4 over 5. So just substitute 4 over 5 in the variable x in our equation. So 32 raised to x will become 32 raised to 4 over 5 is equal to 16. So how to simplify 32 raised to 4 over 5? Again, we need to rewrite 32 in exponential form. So the same process. So 2 raised to 5 and then raised to 4 over 5. So is equal to 16. So here, we are going to multiply 5 times 4 over 5. So to simplify this one, 5 times 4 over 5, we just cancel 5 here and 5, the denominator of the exponent. So what is remaining here? 4. So 2 raised to the fourth power. Okay, is equal to 16. And what is 2 raised to the fourth power if you're going to simplify? This is equal to 16. So therefore, 16 is equal to 16 and that is true. So our answer is correct. X is equal to 4 over 5. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please click like and then subscribe if you are not done yet.